4 Investigates continues probing the case of the speeding Maserati driver accused of killing a man on Gravois. But one local family says the only thing keeping that Maserati's driver from doing it again is his cell phone. Madi Gayar is out on bond and being monitored by a smartphone app allowed by the courts. Those bond conditions raising big questions. And tonight, News 4 Chief Investigator Lauren Traeger is looking into this new program meant to keep tabs on those accused of dangerous crimes.
We all use our phones for just about everything, but now some people awaiting their day here in court are using their phones to stay out of jail.
Absolutely. You have more and more clients who are on these monitoring systems.
Defense attorney Christy Flint says there's a new tool in criminal justice. News 4 first told you Thursday about this man, Madi Gayar, being allowed to check in on a cell phone app once a week as part of his bond conditions. He's charged with involuntary manslaughter, accused of speeding on Gravois back in 2017 and crashing into and killing Dan Domian.
I don't trust it. I just don't trust him.
Domian's family's skeptical of the phone app, so we started asking some questions. City courts recently entered into a $500,000 contract with the company Total Court Services. About 60 defendants in the city currently using the app called Court Fact to check in with the courts before trial. It requires facial recognition and location services.
Clients that I have who have been monitored by the app are required to check in multiple times a day.
And Flint says it gives real-time data about defendants.
When the courts get a report, the prosecutor also gets the report and the defense attorney gets a report. So we can watch this also while it's happening.
She believes it is a step forward in bail reform.
If we can get them out on the street and working and, building their lives, that's a very good thing for everyone. It's a good thing for the clients and the community as a whole.
Hundreds of other defendants here in the city are using a physical monitoring device they have to wear that's more stringent than the app. If the defendant has the means, they have to pay for these types of services. Otherwise, the taxpayers do foot the bill. St. Louis County is using a similar app service. It's a new technology we'll continue to keep an eye on. Downtown St. Louis, I'm Lauren Traeger, News 4.
Gayar is scheduled for a trial in March of next year. Domian's family has been frustrated that it has been 5 years since that crash and still no justice. We reached out for comment. Gayar's attorney told us that they were working to resolve this case.
Tonight, we're